Hi everyone and welcome to a vlog and a haul from Created Kent, which is just outside the town where I live. It's really funny actually because I didn't know about this event until 2 days ago. The event was this morning. Well, it continues throughout today, Saturday and Sunday, but I stayed there for 2.5 hours and I was so tired when I came back because it was so much of everything. It was people everywhere. It was stores and products, and you got really, really tired, or at least I did, after 2.5 hours. The queue into the event was so long, so it took a while to actually get in there. But when you came into the the showground space, I was overwhelmed. There was so many different stalls. It was everything literally that was in here. And it was everything from embroidery. Look at those small houses, they are gorgeous, so cute. And it was different mixed media stamps, it was dyes, it was, papers, inks, and just tons and tons of different products. The prices weren't too bad either. Usually they put up the prices a little bit on these events, and you can obviously get them much cheaper online, but it's also nice to be able to get them directly instead of waiting on the postman, so to say. Create and Craft was also there, which was quite funny. They had their little audience. They were going live on television from this show, so I stood there watching when they went live. And Graphic 45 was also there, which was really interesting actually, because some of the products I haven't seen before in real life, and that was really nice. The prices were, they were quite expensive, but I think Graphic 45 is, on the high end sometimes with their limited edition collections and stuff. There were loads of chipboard, loads of stamps. It was just really, really nice. But it must have been about 1,500 to 2,000 people there when I was there. And it was just people coming in and out all the time. But it was a really, really nice experience. And I'm now going to show you the things that I got from the show and from the event. Before I start showing you what I got, I just wanted to show you like the outline of the event, or like there was this big, huge building. And it was so funny because I wasn't expecting it to be that big, because I hadn't read up much about the event. I just thought, oh, it might be, 4 or 5 shops or something there. It's outside London, so it's not like the London Fair, I thought. But no, I was wrong. It was huge. It was so many boutiques, so many shops, so many different designers that are like famous here in the UK, which I've heard about before. It was these many workshops and make and takes, and I didn't do any of those. The only one I was interested in doing was the Graphic 45 one, but they wanted to, I thought they were a little bit too expensive, or maybe I was stingy, because I think it was like 20 or 25 pounds to do like a little album thing, and I don't know, it would have taken the whole day, I felt like, because I'm a very slow crafter. And then I got stingy and I was like, you know what, I'd rather spend £25 on craft supplies that I can bring home. But this is the things that I got. So starting off with sort of the things that are not that fun, I got some molded assorted beads, and they, £1, and they looked really cute. Sort of like beads, things that you can just attach to cards. They look like marble beads, so, and they are not beads that you can use. Oh no, they actually are. So you can make your own pins and stuff with these. So I got those. I thought they were just like little blobs that you could put on your card, but that's even better if you can make cute little pins to attach to your card. Then I got these really, really cute tags. I love the fox. I thought the fox was so cute. A little sausage dog. I'm not really into the whole dream catcher thing, but the fox was really cute. So, and the tags, I mean, £1, that's nothing. I got some stickers. I don't actually know the difference between stickers and stickers. I think there is a difference. Don't know. Maybe it is that stickers is actually like trademarked as stickers instead of stickers, and then no other company can say stickers, but they need to use the word stickers. I don't know. That was really but you know, the American company that's called stickers, you know what I mean. I don't know if anyone has thought about this before, but yeah, we got some of those alphabet stickers, which are really nice. I mean, like, they have like flowery little patterns on them. So I've actually never used alphabet stickers before, so that was a little bit outside my comfort zone. Then I saw, as you saw in the video when I filmed, it was these really super uber cute little houses, and they were so cute. And that is for, let me see what it's called again. It's like cross stitching, but 3D cross stitching, and that's the company, and it's called the Nutmeg Company. And I mean, like, they were so cute. And I asked the designer, actually, she was there, and I asked her, like, is this really difficult? She just looked at me like I was stupid, because I was like, is this really difficult to do? I've never done it before. And she was like, maybe. And I started laughing afterwards, because she said to me that, oh, maybe you could start with this book. And it was like a baby, how to learn your child how to cross stitch. And I was like, well, I mean, when I said I was like not that good at it, I don't mean I'm like a baby that's like starting off. I've never done a cross stitch before. But yeah, no, she was really nice though. Very, very nice. But yeah, so what I got from them, their company, they are, I mean, cross stitching, I don't know why it is like that, but they see, I mean, the patterns are really expensive. It's about £20. Like, they had these houses, these 3D houses, and they were about £20 for one little kit. So I paid £7.65 for this. And I want to make a Christmas card. I mean, it's so beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. And I must say, I've been naughty because I've already started it, because I wanted to see if I actually remember how to do cross stitches. And I mean, if I open it, it's very tiny. It's like I need my glasses on, actually, to see any of the holes in this. But yeah, no, I managed to do a little bit of cross stitching there, and it looks okay. So I'm going to continue on that one later. What I found though is that it doesn't really calm me, it actually stresses me a little bit. Maybe it's because I'm like a perfectionist. Then I stopped at the Graphic 45 booth because, I mean, that's a must, right? What I got is, well, I mean, they were quite expensive, and it was like one of the collections there was about £46, which was, I don't know how much that is in US dollars. I might put it on the screen here, but it's a lot. And I thought, like one collection, I've already got a lot of papers, a lot of papers. So I just went for the sort of like journaling and little 3D cards, whatever. I like using these, the die cuts. So I got the one collection, Little Women collection, and they are so cute. Really, really sweet, and they sort of work with the colors that I use when I create. And then I got the Princess collection, and I was so near of actually buying. I think if I go there tomorrow with my boyfriend's mum, I might just buy this collection because I thought it was so sweet. And it's called the Princess collection, and it's that kind of medieval, beautiful, like ladies with long dresses and long hair, and just, oh, I love it. So I love Graphic 45. I think they do something which is very different. And it's nice to see that they've actually continued, because I took sort of like a pause in crafting, and I just, well, it's nice that they've actually continued. Then I saw this company, which is called the Paper Boutique, and I was like, why haven't I heard about this? This one, the collection is called the Magical Forest, and it is so cute. Let me show you. So it's different die cuts. I mean, look at that fox. It's so sweet. It's perfect for using as like on the center of a card. So cute. And the owl. And then, I mean, look at this deer. Oh, it's so precious. And loads of little sentiments. Really, just really, really cute. So you got in this 80 sheets and 10 designs. So that was a good deal. That was £5.50, which is really nice. And then, and then I got a Graphic 45. This was in another shop, actually. It was one of those shops when they have like different companies and they sell online. And they had like a Graphic 45 paper pad for just £8, which was a big difference from actually the Graphic 45 booth. But yeah, this is the, I don't know if this is an old collection, but it's called the Safari Adventure Collection. Let me see if I can open this. You might just have seen it already. Because I took a pause, like, and I didn't buy much craft supplies at all, I just feel like all of these collections, which I probably, if I had continued crafting, I would have been like, oh, this is a really old collection. But I'm like, oh, I've never seen this before, but this is the Safari one. And I think I could make some really cool kind of funky cards with this. And as always, Graphic 45's paper quality is wonderful. And I love that you can like die cut stuff out from their papers. And yeah, oh, you even got like a template here, which is nice. So yeah, I got that one. And then last but definitely not least, I got 50 cards and envelopes 8x8. That is the size that I use when I create my cards. I used to love creating in 6x6, but I don't anymore. It's just I don't know, they feel too small for me. And I just like creating the 8x8. It's so much easier when you cut your paper as well, because I like using 12x12 paper stacks. So when I cut like a paper and it's 8x8, I feel like I get more use of the paper instead of just like cutting them in 6x6. I don't know, maybe that's just my own little theory, but I like creating big cards. Or for me, I mean, they're not huge, but they're still, 8x8 is still quite big, and they have a lot of 8x8 paper packs and stuff now, which is nice. So yeah, no, so that's what I got, and it's nice to be back. Actually, it's quite weird not speaking in English, because I'm speaking English like all the time now since I live in the UK, but it's just I don't know, it's a little bit weird speaking to a camera, but I think I will get there. And yeah, no, it's gonna be nice being back. I'm actually already filming a video of my little scrapbooking corner. So yeah, I'm ready to share that with you soon when that's finished. And yeah, have a good day and see you in my next video. Bye bye.